With growing concerns over distracted driving and screen fatigue, automakers are starting to turn from the touch screen-only interiors. A new trend in vehicular haptics is emerging, where physical buttons or tactile toggles are making a comeback, often alongside sophisticated screens. This hybrid approach, known as multi-modal interface, leverages the strength of both. While screens excel for tasks like navigation and entertainment, physical controls offer crucial kinesthetic feedback for functions like climate control, allowing drivers to make adjustments without taking their eyes off the road. The European New Car Assessment Program, January 2026, is even mandating physical controls for essential safety features to earn its top rating, signifying a new ergonomic paradigm for future car cabins.